people, welcome back. We are now going to show you a little math stuff here. I made this function, this program a couple of years ago. I know I did something like that. I haven't watched the video in a long time. I basically don't watch my own videos. Anyway, yeah. What I'm going to do here, I've been talking with a guy's girlfriend, a friend of mine, his girlfriend, and we'll be talking about the maths. She's not too much into it and might not understand everything of that, etc. Anyway, it's not that important, whatever that is. What I'm going to show you now is this program called MyMath, which I made version 2.0 of a couple of years ago. And I made an example here. And I'm just going to put that inside the screen here so everyone can see it. We're going for English, and we have 6x squared plus 9x minus 5. So 6, oops, no, that's not what I wanted. I wanted number 6, not number 5. So we go with 6 and 9 and minus 5. There we go. Then we are going to calculate the zero values x1 and x2, as you can see here. And I always made it like x1 should be the lower one and x2 should be the higher one of these two answers, or zero values. And it's not a parabola but a quadratic function, but anyway, never mind that. So I'm just going to show you how we calculate this real by using paint instead of showing it here, because that's all messy. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open the paint window, and as you can see, the formula to find the zero value is, pointing to this part here, we have minus b plus minus, so that will be two operations, square root of b square minus 4 times a times c, and all of this divided by 2 times a, and that gives us x1 and x2. That's the two zero values. We want to know what x is equal to when 0 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, sorry. We want to know what x is when y is equal to 0. So, anyway, we got this function, standard function, f(x) is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And as you can see, we wrote in 6 for a, b to be 9, and c to be minus 5. That's what I used here. So we got them written here as well, just to make that sorted out. So to calculate this, we are using the formula here, as you can see, and we are replacing the a, b, and c with their values or numbers. So b will be 9, so that means minus 9 plus minus, and then the square root of all of this. 9 square minus 4 times 6 times minus 5, sorry, not 5 but minus 5. That's two different things. And all of this again to be divided by 12. Okay, so that means the first operational we are having still minus 9 plus square root of 201, because 81 minus and minus means plus, so think of a plus there instead of minus, and remove that one. And 4 times 6 is equal to 24, and times 5, that's 120. So we got minus 9 plus or minus 201, because of 81 plus 120 is equal to 201. And we divide this by 2 times 6 is equal to 12, of course. And that gives us the zero values. And this is x2 and this will be x1 actually. But anyway, we are taking minus 9 plus the square root of 201 and divide all of that by 12. And that makes it equal to 0.43, approximately that is. And minus 9 minus the square root of 201 divided by 12 is equal to approximately again 1.93. as you saw in the program I made. So I hope that clears it up. You are just replacing A, B and C from the formula here. That's how easy it is. So I hope that was something you guys understood. I hope you understood my explanation of it. Anyway, enjoy this little tutorial video thing for the mathematics for this program, and in the next program, well, in the next, not program, but the next video, actually, minus 9, 6, 9, minus 5, and there we go, we still got the same values, good. So we are going to calculate this surface, and that's the green part here. So we are going to calculate all of that, and that will be quite interesting, I suppose. And just to show you a little part of it, that's the integration part here, goes here, and the derivation part should have one upper and lower line here, but unfortunately I forgot to do so when I programmed it, so I will be fixing that later on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Take care again. Stay tuned. Bye bye.